Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the resource. Today we're exploring the website for BMO Harris Bank, found at https://www.bmoharris.com. This site serves as the online hub for all things BMO Harris, offering a comprehensive range of banking services and information. Navigating the homepage, you'll find prominent sections dedicated to personal banking, business banking, and wealth management. This clear categorization allows users to quickly find the services they need, whether it's checking accounts, loans, investment options, or financial planning resources. Beyond these core offerings, the website provides access to important tools and information like online banking login, branch and ATM locators, current interest rates, and contact information. BMO Harris also emphasizes its commitment to security, with prominent links to security alerts and fraud prevention resources, ensuring customers can confidently manage their finances online. Furthermore, the site offers a wealth of educational materials, including articles and guides on various financial topics, empowering customers to make informed decisions. The website also showcases BMO Harris community involvement and sustainability initiatives, highlighting the bank's dedication to social responsibility. The design of the BMO Harris website is clean and user-friendly, employing a clear layout and intuitive navigation. This facilitates a seamless browsing experience across various devices, whether you're on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. The search functionality is robust, enabling users to quickly find specific information or services. Finally, the website offers multilingual support, catering to a diverse customer base. Overall, the BMO Harris website provides a comprehensive and accessible platform for managing your finances, offering a wide range of services, tools, and information in a user-friendly format.